Tru Tracs. Tru Tracs are available as a front fitment or a rear fitment. Front fitment, which is this one, has all the gears cut in that direction, and then the main drive gear cut in that direction. What we're going to do is we're going to convert this from a front drive Tru Trac to a rear drive Tru Trac. So this is the top end taken apart. So here is the other side of the Tru Trac. This, as you can see at the back here, I've got a spare Tru Trac box of broken bits. There's one gear versus the other gear. So to make a front Tru Trac, which is this, into a rear Tru Trac, you change the gears from one side to the other. And if my luck is anything like normal, having done this, so I've got a rear Tru Trac for sale, someone's going to phone up for a front. And now we're going to put it all back together. And now we've switched the gears from one side to the other. So these were the three ATB gears and the main drive gear from the other side, now going into this side, converting it from a front Tru Trac to a rear. And basically, if you put a front Tru Trac in the rear of a vehicle, it doesn't work very well. There's not a lot of force in terms of torque biasing or limited slip diff. Conversely, if you put a rear Tru Trac in the front, you'll be having a quick look at hedges and ditches very quickly because your steering will be almost unbearably stiff. So there is a significant difference in the amount of clamping forces between the front and the rear. Rear sell better than front, so I'm converting this front to a rear, but no, my luck, someone's going to phone up and ask for a front, so I'll have to redo it all again. But I thought it might be of interest for those people to actually see the differences inside a Tru Trac and why fronts and rears are actually different. It's also a good thing that although they're often stamped at the factory, front or rear, that doesn't mean to say some little bugger like me hasn't gone and mixed them round. So you need to check, but hopefully this video will give you a clue. And there we are. So now some little bugger in the future is going to go, oh yes, that's a front Tru Trac, that is, I know my stuff. And it's not, it's now a rear because we've swapped all the gears around. Oh, and we've given it a complete clean and we've put it all back together and it's all lovely and ready to go. Or to be sold as a front and I have to take it apart again. Happy days. Rear, rear. Shh, it's a rear.